Hey everyone, just another thing that I made to help kids, and I use this with my kids as well. This is for spelling. So what we have here is a program that will read words to you and sentences as well. So for instance, what we have here, we actually have the spelling words and the sentences hidden in these two columns here. So these are the spelling words, and these are the sentences that I made up. So bank, I went to the bank to get money. Bowl, I ate a bowl of cereal, etc. So these are the spelling words. And the way that this works is, and you can edit this, of course, yourself by just unprotecting the sheet by going to review and then unprotect if it's protected already. And then just when you're done, you can go back to review and click protect sheet after making the font white. Um, so you would be able to add your own words and your own sentences, as many as you like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make the font white and then protect the sheet. And then I'll show you how it works. So we're gonna click next word.
Work. My mother works very hard.
So it tells you that my mother works very hard. So what you can do is work letter by letter, you fill each one of these boxes. And so it kind of gives you feedback. So let's say I spell it wrong. There's no green. So I know that that letter is incorrect. And then I can correct it. And then I know that the word is correct. Everyone is different. But to get from cell to cell, you have to, after typing the letter, you have to click the tab button. Everyone's different. Some people might not like that. So I made a second option where you go whole word. And it's the same thing. The words are in here in column A, and the sentences are in column C. So just another example for whole word.
Helen Keller. Helen Keller couldn't see, hear, or talk.
So here, one of the spelling words for my son was Helen Keller. So when you write it, there we go. All right, Helen Keller. So I guess Helen Keller is actually one L. Now I learned something new. So yeah, so this is the different things.
Africa. Egypt is in Africa.
Yeah, so that's another word, Africa, and it said Egypt is in Africa. And let's suppose you didn't hear it well. You could just click on repeat word.
Africa. Egypt is in Africa.
And again, to edit the spelling words in the sentences, all you gotta do is unprotect the sheet, come here, make the font black. Make the font black. And don't touch B1. B1 helps it to decide which word to select. And it is random order, but what happens is actually in column D, the program actually keeps track of which words are already done so that you don't get the same words over and over again. And once you're done, it'll actually tell you that you've done all the words. So let me just, as an example, show you that real quick.
Bring me a souvenir from your travels, please.
All right. So
Asia. China is in Asia.
yeah, so we have Asia done, and then I just want to
hand. Can you give me a hand with this?
Yeah, so I think that's it. Everything has all been done, so it'll tell you that you've completed all the words. So, and then when it says that, everything is marked clear. So you don't have to worry about, typing the same word over and over again. So let's just go ahead and make everything white, columns A through D. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Thank you.